Welcome back to the Autoland, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of motorcycles. If you love two-wheelers as much as we do, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Today we have something truly exciting to talk about, the all-new Honda CB3 502026. This modern classic is back and it's better than ever, with updated features, improved performance, and that timeless Honda reliability. Whether you're a fan of retro motorcycles or looking for a dependable daily ride, the CB300 is here to impress. So let's dive deep into everything this bike has to offer. The Honda CB series has always been a favorite among riders who love the perfect blend of classic styling and modern engineering. The CB350 is no exception. Since its reintroduction, this bike has captured the hearts of riders worldwide, offering a nostalgic design combined with cutting-edge technology. But what's new in the 2026 model? To start with, the 2026 CB350 comes with a refined engine, delivering better fuel efficiency and smoother power delivery. Honda has worked on reducing engine vibrations, making the ride more comfortable, especially for long-distance travel. The bike still retains its 348cc single-cylinder air-cooled engine, but with improved tuning for a more refined riding experience. Expect power figures around 21 horsepower and 30 Nm of torque, which may not sound like a lot, but for a lightweight classic machine, it provides ample punch. Another major upgrade in the 2026 model is the inclusion of ride modes. Previously, the CB350 was a simple machine focused on pure riding pleasure. But Honda has now introduced Eco and Sport modes to enhance the experience. The Eco mode optimizes fuel consumption, perfect for city commutes, while the Sport mode sharpens throttle response, making highway rides more exciting. Honda has also given the CB350 an updated assist and slipper clutch for smoother gear shifts. This small but significant upgrade reduces hand fatigue and makes the bike more forgiving when downshifting aggressively. When it comes to design, the CB350 remains largely unchanged, and that's a good thing. The retro charm of this motorcycle is what makes it stand out. The round LED headlamp, chrome-finished exhaust, classic fuel tank design, and well-padded seat all contribute to that timeless appeal. However, the 2026 model gets new color options, including a stunning two-tone variant that gives the bike a premium look. The addition of gold-finished spoke wheels on some variants further enhances its vintage aesthetics. The instrument cluster is another area where Honda has made improvements. While it retains its semi-digital setup, the 2026 CB350 now features turn-by-turn navigation and smartphone connectivity. This means you can sync your phone via the Honda RoadSync app and access calls, messages, and navigation directly from the display. It's a small but meaningful upgrade that adds convenience to daily riders. One of the biggest talking points of the CB350 has always been its ride quality. Honda has ensured that the 2026 model continues to offer a comfortable and stable ride. The telescopic front forks and twin rear shock absorbers have been slightly retuned for better comfort, absorbing road imperfections with ease. The bike's highway stability is excellent thanks to its long wheelbase and well-balanced chassis. The CB350S braking setup remains solid with a 310-foot S rear disc and a 240-foot rear disc, both equipped with dual-channel. This ensures controlled stopping power even in emergency braking situations. Honda has also refined the ABS calibration to make braking more precise and confidence-inspiring. Another highlight is the exhaust note. The CB350 has always been known for its deep, bassy exhaust sound, and the 2026 model takes it a step further. Honda has fine-tuned the exhaust system to produce an even richer sound, making every ride more enjoyable. It's one of those little things that make a big difference in the overall riding experience. Honda understands that riders today want a bike that offers both performance and practicality. The CB350 delivers on both fronts. It's lightweight, easy to handle, and has a comfortable seating position that suits riders of all heights. The fuel efficiency has also been slightly improved, with the bike now offering around 35 to 40 km/L depending on riding conditions. This means fewer stops at the fuel station and more time enjoying the ride. When it comes to competition, the CB350 goes up against bikes like the Royal Enfield Classic 350, Jawa 42, and Benelli Imperiale 400. While these bikes have their strengths, the CB350 stands out with its reliability, smooth engine, and modern features. It's a bike that requires minimal maintenance, making it an excellent choice for those who want a hassle-free ownership experience. The pricing of the CB355 to 266 is expected to be around the same range as the previous model, with a slight increase due to new features. It should be priced between $4,500 and $5,000, depending on the variant and optional accessories. Honda is also offering a range of customization options, including different seat designs, handlebar styles, and exhaust choices, allowing riders to personalize their CB350. So who is the Honda CB3502026 If you're someone who appreciates classic styling with modern reliability, this bike is perfect for you. It's great for city commuting, weekend rides, and even long tours if you enjoy a relaxed cruising experience. It's not the most powerful bike in its segment, but it makes up for it with comfort, efficiency, and Honda's legendary durability. If you've been considering getting a retro-style motorcycle that offers a blend of heritage and modernity, the CB305 is definitely worth checking out. Whether you're a new rider or someone looking for a stylish second bike, the CB305 won't disappoint. That wraps up our deep dive into the Honda CB3502026. What do you think of this latest version? Do you love the new features, or do you wish Honda had done something different? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps us bring you more awesome motorcycle content. Thanks for watching, and as always, ride safe and have fun. See you in the next video.